Damn, there's a whole lot of debris. A lot more coming.
Enjoy the jungle, the mountain, the desert, anything you want. I was meant to.
Oh, good morning. I'm swollen up. Okay, let's get around. That was my sleeping plan. So you could see. Quite well. Quite well. I get wake up fact of a bird taking some of the straw. Oh, that was making some funny noise. Yeah. That's the field of yesterday my straw from. I need something to eat. I was thinking yesterday at night already. Maybe I collect some corn. Maybe. I'll look down there next to the cornfield. Maybe I found some apples. Always like next the field, some apple trees or something like that, like wild fruits. Always like in this area. Had to bring some food. I'm pretty hungry. Okay, I found some. So here you have pears. Down there, there's still some corn. Let's see. Of course, finding some blackberries, and oh yeah, they're good. I will use that cup from my coffee yesterday. Unfortunately, good that I don't waste it. And then I will have blackberries, some pears, some wild pears. You know, folks, that smells like gruel. Nice gruel, yeah. Yesterday at night, that animal, I'm pretty sure there was a fox. Probably they eat the fruits. This one, and there was also a cherry tree. Let's continue. Oh, more corn. Quite some work. Okay, that's gonna take some while. Maybe I do some bread later on. I'm gonna proceed until I'm dead. No, I'm gonna proceed until I'm finished. Oh boy, I can tell you that after some time, quite meditated. I was saying, oh no, this is no survival, but couldn't be tougher to make bread here. Probably do bread today because for gruel I need some cooking device, and if I not found one, I need more wind. Come on. Yes. Come on, wind. Be my friend right now. Okay. Good as it gets. Quite some work. But there's still some husks there, but some of them are not really separated. But I'll give a damn. The rest will go into the flour. Grind that up somewhere on a stone. Yeah. Not super fine, get a little bit smashed up, and that would be enough for gruel or for bread. Let's keep going. I will go up there on top. On Google Maps I was seeing there's a spring. Hydration, yes. Anything else what's eatable will be gathered right now, and then be pretty soon already shelter time again. Oh, I found some goodies. Some wire, some kind of lid, and there I found the pot, but it's... Sorry, I'm still wired to my cable. My camera died on me. Otherwise I would have shown you my lost place tour. Seems to be like an old house for bees to live inside. Yeah, I found as well a mesh up there. So clean that up. And then I will have my pot for cooking. Probably this I will use for wash the acorn. Oh, sorry guys. Now a lot happened. Some acorns, I will chop them up, and I hopefully have a spring there. Something else? Yes, I found rope. So maybe not today, but tomorrow I will see. Try myself boat drilling. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah, I could manage to scrap out the most of it. I guess the rest I can wash in the river off. Paint down the floor, I have to clean up. So I clean up and then I'm gonna go to my water source slash shelter place. Yeah, I'm happy right now. These are chestnuts. I was hoping too soon. Those chestnuts are not done yet. They're all stringy. Whatever, I have acorn. Plus I have wheat or corn. Yeehaw! I found my water. Okay. So, plan is get to the other side of that little creek, I guess. So, building shelter, water. By the way, I don't have any water in my water bladder anymore. Okay. Almost there. Oh no. Barefoot, I have to be extra carefully. Don't trust this tree. Not too much. Stone, I guess, would be a really good millstone. I have to come back for this one. Some place up here can use. And people are messing around. Glass bottles broken. I love it. So that would be my water source. Let's see how it smells. Not quite good, but I will definitely. Ooh, what is that? Somebody thrown something in the water. Looks like corn. No. Ah, okay. It's actually the washed out shit from fox or maybe wild boar. Interesting. Yeah, good to know. So at night, animals will come here. So I probably need a fire when I sleep somewhere up there. That would be my shelter. The river is close to me. I hope nobody catch my shelter, because straight up there on the other side is the trail. But so far today, almost none was hiking here. Try to make a debris shelter with this. A lot of moss here. I already gathered some bark and a shovel. Yes, I'm gonna show you. Always my knife, man. Too tight for these shelters. Yes. Okay. I can tuck just right like this underneath. Of course, I need a little bit bedding, at least 10 centimeters. I have to erase a little bit of the earth. Oh, my back. Here the sides hurts. And I have head necks. Coming a little bit closer to a real survival situation. No shoes, no sleeping bag, no mattress, no water. No, I have water, sorry. Little bit of thing. After already one day, yeah. Oh yeah. What the fuck I'm even doing? Yes. Building shelter. Bam, baby. So, almost done. At least with the roofing, and then still need to make the bed, fire, food. What time we got? Okay. About 2 hours left until twilight. So hurry the fuck up! Okay, I need a whole lot of more. I need to breathe. It sounds something like when you're sitting on your stool, on your toilet, you're like, ah, okay. Happy 420, Axel. Ah. Damn, there's a whole lot of debris. A lot more coming. Oh, some for the bed, some for the roof. Nice. Swoosh. Debris. Would it be nice when we together? La 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 la. 2 days, almost nothing to eat. Man, makes you go nuts.
I'm a goofy goober. Goofy, goofy, goofy goober.
Debris! 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 How you like my shelter? It's about finished. Just some moss and then hell yeah, I'm good to go. I want to show you my final shelter, debris shelter. So for tonight I won't have anything like a blanket, you know. Let's try it out. And again, my knife. There. Okay. Wow. I couldn't make it any tighter to just fit barely inside. Maybe, let's see, can I lie on the side? Oh no. That would be an interesting night. Fuck. Like this. Yes. How many ticks I will have at the end of this tour? Okay. I probably will change something tomorrow, but for now. Okay, interesting smell. Let's see if this works. Oh, that's way too much. Okay, I know why our ancestors had like a special dude to doing this. A whole lot of grueling work. Maybe I need to get a better stone. Like this. Experience, yes. I always wanted to do that. Fuck. Okay, take number 7. So finally can see again something. Okay, today I'm up to the challenge just using the fire as a light source. Keep the fire going. Sorry folks, I forgot to film. I just emptied the gruel. Oh yeah, you can't see shit. But I was doing half with the flour. I was doing me some primitive bread and hey, oh boy, if you didn't eat anything the whole day. I had 3 of them. This is the last one. I had 2 of these mugs full. I'm so happy that, you know, it was just trash when I was in the train, but damn, I was using them already. I can't believe. Damn, this is so good. The flour, the bits of uncrushed wheat is roasted. This gives such a nice flavor. If you just add a little bit of salt and maybe how to say kümmel inside, but it's good like this as well. Tomorrow I will do the mix with acorn. I probably grind it up a little bit finer, and then I put bleached acorn inside. Okay, smoke one, drink a little bit more water, and then go to bed. It's already late enough. Yeah, close to 0. Fuck.
Oh, you watched until the end? You still there? You want to know what happened next week? Stay tuned for more stuff coming in part 3, like gathering food, making more bread, and improving my shelter.